Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Manish Anotia, JNKV College of Agriculture, Riva. Here is I am presented to my topic hybrid seed production of barley, submitted to Dr. R.P. Joshi. Next, introduction. Barley, also known as grown as cereal grain, botanical Hardium vulgare, origin for Western Asia, Ethiopia. Considered top 5 cereal grains world. Percent of barley human food. Percentage is used brewing malt, breweries, beer, whiskey. Harvested barley in used for livestock. Cereals crops ranking 2007 the world both in terms of quantity produce 136 million tons in area of cultivation there is known as. Next, principle of seed production, general principle, genetic principle, agronomic principle, selection of suitable, selection of seed plots, seed crop of land, selection of variety, seed treatment, seed rate, time of planting, depth of sowing, legume supplemental pollution, weed control, disease and insect control, nutrition, irrigation, time of harvest, method of harvesting, drying of seeds, storage of raw seeds. Next, classification 2 row barley, 4 row barley, 6 row barley, 25 से 30 ग्रेन्स, 6 रो बारले और 25 से 60 ग्रेन्स. नेक्स्ट, बायोलॉजी ऑफ क्रॉप, सीजन एंड ड्यूरेशन. रबी सीरियल क्रॉप शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन होती है, क्रोमोजोम नंबर 14 होते हैं, सीड रेट मोनोकोट, इन्फ्लोरेंस स्पाइक होता है, लोकल नेम बारले, जावी और जाओ जो इंग्लिश और पंजाब उर्दू में होते हैं. नेक्स्ट, आइसोलेशन ऑफ द सीड क्रॉप should be isolated from other wheat variety plots, minimum distance meters and loss of smut infected wheat critical of prey within the 150 meters. So precaution is necessary word of infection by seed borne pathogen. Next, preparation of land, to plowing cultivator followed by plinking after every plugging. Save the crop from termites and other insects. Seed treatment is advisable. Next, selection of seed plots. Land that used to be seed production should be fertile, leveled and free for drainage problem, higher evaluation especially food areas, emergence of volunteer wheat plant a problem, cases that adequate care is to be taken. Ensure that the volunteer plants do not come in the production of good quality seed. Care should be taken avoid the production seed in the 5 history of the 22 disease infection. Next, disease and insect control. इरिसाइपी ग्रेमिनिस का यूज़ किया जाता है, पाउडरी मिडली काउस्ड जो कंट्रोल के लिए सल्फर का आप 15 से 20 किलोग्राम पर हेक्टेयर 1% कैर्थेनिन. फिर जो हेल्माइंथोस्पेरम लीफ स्पॉट डिसीज है इसकी इफेक्टिव कंट्रोल के लिए आप कॉपर फंजीसाइड Z78 का यूज़ करेंगे. एंड न्यूट्रिशन जो होता है 120/60/40 किलोग्राम पर हेक्टेयर एंड वीट 16-30/20 किलोग्राम NPK. तो 1/3 क्वांटिटी does of phosphorus and potassium, time of sowing and the remaining 2/3 first node stage 35 से 14 days should be applied. Next, time and method of harvesting. Barley crop gets ready harvested March and first fortnight April. Settling character should be harvested before ripening. Breaking the spikes, dryness, extra needed mechanical mixing is likely occurred during harvesting. Threshing, seed treatment, picking करें, picking through the processing steps stage to be foolproof the potential seed. Thresholds, combine harvester, tillers, processing machinery thoroughly cleaned before harvesting. Seed production plots more than hectare suitable for combine harvesting. Smaller plots harvested mainly threshold by machine. Next,